This video will introduce how to use the features of the Ranger and the app. Next, let's take a look at the product's appearance. On the front side of the glasses are camera and capture LED. On the right temple of the glasses are capture button, touchpad, speakers, and charging interface. On the left temple of the glasses are intercom mute button, power button, and speakers. On the inner side of the glasses are nose pads, status LED, and microphone array. Next, we'll show you how to adjust the nose pads. This is essential for your wearing comfort. There are 3 dimensions you can manually adjust. The first is spreading or pinching the nose pads. The second is lifting up or pushing down the nose pads. The third is rotating the pads inward or outward. Adjust the nose pads along these 3 dimensions until the glasses fit snugly, stay stable, and feel comfortable on your face. Next, we'll show you how to charge the glasses and power them on/off. Press and hold the intercom mute button on the left temple for 5 seconds until the status LED turns red. This means the glasses have successfully powered off. Single click either physical button on the temples. The status LED will flash white. Once the light turns green, the startup is complete. The process usually takes 30 to 40 seconds, so please be patient. Bring the magnetic charging cable close to the charging port on the right temple of the glasses. The charger will automatically attach. During charging, the status indicator light will blink yellow, and it will turn green once fully charged. Please ensure the magnetic charging cable is aligned correctly with the temple arm. Next, we'll introduce the glasses function controls. Single press the right capture button to take a photo. The status LED will blink white once. Press and hold the right capture button for 2 seconds to start recording. The status and capture LED will blink white continuously. During recording, press the capture button once to manually mark a moment. Press and hold the right capture button for 2 seconds to stop recording. The status and capture LED indicator will turn off. Single tap to play or pause music. Swipe forward to increase volume. Swipe backward to decrease volume. Double tap for the next track. Triple tap for the previous track. Incoming call. Long press to reject. Double tap twice to answer. During a call, double tap twice to hang up. Single press the left intercom mute button to mute yourself.
Mute myself.
Single press again to unmute.
Unmute myself.
Press and hold to mute everyone.
Mute all.
Press and hold again to unmute.
Unmute all.
Note, the intercom mute button functions only works when the intercom channel is enabled in the app. Next, we will introduce the video settings feature in the app. In the video settings, you can choose between landscape and portrait modes. Additionally, you can select the appropriate sports view based on your type of activity. Since the head angle during road cycling is generally lower than in other sports, you can choose the road cycling view. This setting will adjust the camera angle upward to better suit road cycling scenarios. If you are engaged in other sports, you can select the other sports view. Next, we will introduce the sound settings feature in the app. In the sound settings, you can choose an audio mode. For low wind noise activities or daily use, you can select balanced mode. For high wind noise scenarios, such as road cycling, you can choose riding mode. Other modes are also available and can be selected based on your personal preference. Next, we'll go over how to view your footage. The content recorded by the glasses is first stored in the glasses' internal storage and can be previewed through the app's album. When you open the album page, a pop-up will automatically appear, prompting you to connect to the glasses' Wi-Fi. After clicking Join the app, will connect to the glasses' Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can preview the content stored in the glasses. To preserve battery life, if you do not use any album-related functions for 10 consecutive minutes, the Wi-Fi will automatically disconnect. You can tap the icon here to reconnect to the glasses Wi-Fi at any time. Next, let me introduce how to use AI highlights. This feature helps you focus on your ride, and after cycling, the AI will automatically extract the highlights for you, saving you time and effort. First, please make sure the AI cycling highlights feature is enabled in the app's settings page. It is enabled by default. Before riding, you need to use the cycling tracking feature. We recommend using destination navigation. The screen lock will not affect the recording once it starts. During the cycling recording, as long as there is any video recording, the AI can automatically detect highlights. When you finish the cycling tracking and stop video recording, the app will notify you with glasses recorded a new cycling activity. Tap Join to automatically connect to the glasses Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can view the cycling highlights of this activity in the cycling album. Additionally, you can also view the cycling highlights anytime in the album. Next, let me introduce how to use manual highlights. This feature supports different types of sports and personal preferences, allowing you to manually mark special moments anytime, so you never miss them. During video recording, you can single tap the capture button at any time to manually mark. After finishing the recording, open the album and connect to the glasses Wi-Fi. You can then view all manually marked highlights under the Manual Marks tab. Next, let me introduce how to use AI Generate Clip. This feature offers fully automatic editing, including automatic footage selection, data overlay, cover, and summary generation, and background music. You can use AI Generate Clip through to entry points. The first entry is on the activity page, where you can create an AI-generated clip for a single cycling activity. Both AI-detected and manually marked highlights will be included as candidate materials for the clip. The AI will automatically pre-select highlight segments. But if you want to make changes, you can tap Reselect to choose the materials again. After clicking Generate, please wait patiently. Once the process is complete, you can view the clip. The second entry is on the album page, where you can create an AI-generated clip for one or multiple cycling activities. Select the Cycling Highlights tab in the album. Tap the AI button at the bottom right corner. Choose the range of cycling activities for the AI-generate clip, then start the generation. Next, let me introduce how to use Manually Generate Clip. This feature allows you to create a clip from manually marked content. In the album, select Manual Marks, where you will see all the manually marked content. You can manually adjust the duration of the marked content according to your editing needs by tapping the first button in the bottom right corner. Tap the second button at the bottom right to create a manual clip. You can select the marked content and choose background music. After clicking Slicing, the clip will be created. Next, let me introduce how to use the intercom. First, one user needs to create an intercom channel. Go to the cycling page and start a ride recording. Then tap Intercom Channel to enable My Channel. Once enabled, other users within a 10 kilometers range can see your channel in the app and join it to start talking. A private channel mode will be released in the future. The intercom works like a voice call. No need to press a button to speak. You can talk freely. You can also tap the intercom mute button on the left temple of the glasses to mute or unmute yourself. To let your teammates enjoy the intercom feature, we don't require every participant to wear the glasses. Your teammates can simply download our app to join the intercom. Please note that some third-party earphones may not have built-in speaker amplification or noise reduction optimized for high wind conditions. As a result, when others use such devices to talk with you via intercom, the call quality may be affected.
Blikup Ranger. Your ride, Your story.